Hey, and welcome back to another video. Today we are solving question number 67, add binary in LeetCode. So this question is pretty simple. Given two binary strings, A and B, return their sum as a binary string. So we can see that this equals 100, and the reason that is because if we put these vertically on top of each other, just old school addition, it's going to be 1 plus 1, except since it's binary, that's going to equal 0. So anything above 1 is going to equal 0. And then we're going to have a carry, and that's going to carry over to the next number, and then 1 plus 1 equals 0 again, another carry, and then that's going to equal 100. So this question is simple in the terms of it's how it's stated, but it is honestly a really hard question. And so we'll go ahead and walk through each step of it. So first we're going to make A and B into an array of integers. So to do this, we'll do A equals int I for I in A, and then same thing here, and then we'll switch those two. And then next we're going to initialize our answer array. This is what we're going to return. So we're going to initialize it as an empty array. And then we're going to initialize our carry variable equals 0. And now we can go ahead and iterate through A and B. And so we'll do just a simple for loop. So for I in range, here's where it kind of gets a little interesting. We're going to do max between length A minus 1, or actually we'll just do length A and length B. Actually, yeah, we'll add minus 1. And then after that, we will go ahead and say minus 1 because we do need to check the 0 element. So we'll do that. And then we'll also do another minus 1 here because we want to go in reverse. And then from here, we need to create a condition because, for example, here in example 1, A has more elements than B. So we need to make sure that each A and B have the same amount of elements. And to do this, we'll go ahead and say while length A is greater than length B, we will go ahead and say B insert 0, 0. So essentially what this is doing is inserting is inserting 0 at the first index until it's equal to A as far as length. And also we do want J to equal I because we don't need to iterate through twice, but we do need it to equal the same element. So we're comparing the same element throughout the whole process. And then we'll do the same thing if A is less than B. So length A less than B. We'll go ahead and say A dot insert 0, 0. And then we can begin our actual conditional statements. So first we're going to say add. We're going to create a variable called add. And what this is going to be is add our A, I, and then this is going to be plus bj. And then we're going to go ahead and, so let's see here. So first off, we want to go ahead and look at the rules here. So 1 plus 1 is going to be 0 if there's no carry. If there is a carry, it's going to be 1, and then the carry is going to continue to be 1. So let's go ahead and do that for this one. So if add equals 2, and carry is equal to 1, we're going to go ahead and say ants insert at the 0 index. We're going to say insert 1, and then carry is going to stay equal to 1. Actually, yeah, we don't even need to initialize that because carry will stay at 1. And then the next condition is going to be if add equals 2 and carry is equal to 0. We're going to say insert 0, 1. Or actually, this is going to be 0. And then we're going to update the value of carry to 1. Because remember, 1 plus 1 equals 0 in binary, but we're going to have a carry to put into the next value. So then we'll go ahead and do another condition. And then I forget, one of these is going to be the same condition, or not the same condition, but it's going to be the same result. And once I figure out which one that is, I'll go ahead and add it here too. So if add equals 1 and carry equals 1, we're going to do ants insert 0, and then carry is going to be equal to 1 as well. So this is actually going to be the same. Yeah, this is the one. So we'll go ahead and say or, and then do that. Oh, actually, this is not going to be the same. I apologize. This is actually going to be nope, that's going to be right. Yep. Okay. Okay. And then if add equals 1 and carry is 1, or sorry, carry is 0, then we're going to do ants insert 1, and then we don't need to update the carry, or yeah, we don't need to update the carry value. Let's see here. I'll make sure that I don't need to update the carry value here. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Okay, perfect. And then else, so if we've gone through all these conditions and they're not true, we're simply going to do ants insert 0 add, or so it'll be 1 because we never want to add 2. So we'll make sure that's, and that is going to be if, yeah, I think that's the same as this one actually. So actually, well, it'll be, sorry. So this one's going to be for if add equals 0. So if both elements equal 0, we're going to do that. And then once we're done with this whole thing, we're going to see if carry is greater than 0, or we'll say if carry is equal to 1, ants insert, and then we will go ahead and update ants, or we'll say ants equals join and string I for I in ants. So essentially what this is doing is taking the array of integers that we have in ants and joining them as a string, essentially. And then we're going to return ants. So that should be good. I might have missed something, but we'll see here. Let's go ahead and run it. Okay, I missed one thing here, it looks like. Yeah, let's go ahead and run through this. Yeah, this is why this question is hard, is because there's a lot of there's a lot of conditionals that you have to account for, and so you can miss something pretty easily. So let's make sure everything's doing what we want. That's good. So that's good. It's equaling 1. Carry equals 0. So this should be going here. So that's good. Equals I. Okay, that's good. It should be 0 and carry of 1 here. So it should be here. So, yep, carry of 1. Let's see. This one should be 1. I think this is where I messed up here. So okay, so I need to add one more condition here, and this is going to be so if add equals 0 and carry equals 1. We're going to go ahead and insert 1, and then carry is going to be updated to 0. And that should be good. Let's go ahead and run this again. Looks like it's, yeah, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and submit this. Make sure it's right for all the cases. And it is perfect. Yeah, I don't think I can add any of these together. Yeah, I don't think I can. Well, I guess I can add these two together. Let's see. Sorry, just trying to optimize this a little bit better or make it look a little cleaner. And I'll just update the carry value here just in case equals 0. Okay, that should be good there. See if there's any else that I can join. Don't think so. Okay. I guess I could do. Now I can do that. Okay. That should be good. Let's make sure it still works for everything. Perfect. All right, there you go, guys. That is my solution. Let me know in the comments if you like my solution. If you had a better one. Also, I've been seeing a lot more support lately, and I really appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, notification bell to stay updated with my journey. I'm posting a video every single day. I'm solving a LeetCode problem every single day. I hope this explanation helped you guys understand this one. This one was hard for me. So without further ado, have a good one, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.